Hey, what's cracking? This is Darren Fatman McDuffie helping you become perfectly healthy and tone, or what I like to call fat. Brought to you by I'mTheFatMan.com. So today is a short video. I just want you to head over to my blog and look at the blog post I did on low cholesterol. A lot of times what we've been taught is high cholesterol is a precursor to heart disease, but in fact low cholesterol is something that affects you much more than you would ever know. So head on over to my blog, I'mTheFatMan.com, and look for this post on low cholesterol, and also leave some feedback, leave some comments on the blog post. If there's something that you've never known about low cholesterol and how it can affect you, I welcome your comments as well. And on that post, I also have my radio show. You can click on the link and you can listen to the radio show in the privacy of your own home. It's a live show, but it's always archived, and you can listen to the Fat Man radio show. And I'm interviewing a man by the name of Jimmy Moore, who wrote a book called Cholesterol Clarity. And he gives you the 411 on cholesterol, so you don't have to worry about high cholesterol anymore. So do that, head on over to the blog, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.